Okay, so some interesting weather ahead, but not too bad for tomorrow, it's looking.
Yeah, looks pretty good.
Okay.
Really mid-70s for highs in the afternoon. Kind of a chilly start right now, and it's pretty cold tonight, too.
Right, it is.
We are looking at some nice weather, though, on Friday, and looks as though we will see the possibility of the wind dying down just a little bit tomorrow. The winds have been strong throughout this evening. Casey Key is showing some nice weather out there this evening for the sunset. Beautiful conditions as a result, again, of high pressure at the surface. Now, a beautiful sunset you see right there. Some photos were sent in of some nice pictures here. Skip Ross getting this from Grand Bay, and Grand Bay showing just how grand it is. A beautiful shot right there. Satellite and radar imagery showing some clouds well to the west of us now. The subtropical jet stream pretty active earlier today, although skies have really cleared overhead right now. And it looks as though we'll see that high pressure ridge slip off to the east and provide us with generally fair skies tomorrow. This east wind will also have a tendency to warm us up. We'll see more of an easterly component that usually typically brings us temperatures a little bit above average, and we'll see that tomorrow in the afternoon and in the evening. Now, as far as the temperatures go, it will be into the low to mid 50s tonight, but we will see breezy conditions all the way through, say, around 9, 10 o'clock, and then the winds will subside just a little bit. Now, there have been advisories in effect for coastal waters all day long. Now, here's a look at the long-range futurecast for the weekend. Lots of events taking place with the Fox Lee horses taking place tomorrow night at 7 o'clock. That should not be a problem, but by Sunday, a big event, Forks and Corks, is taking place, and they had to move into inland, actually in underneath a roof, basically, as a result of the rain expected to move onshore. And looks like most of the thunderstorm activity will stay to our north. This activity, again, associated with the area of low pressure, which will track off to the northeast. That's where the most lift is going to be. But even that doesn't appear to be too strong in terms of severe weather. The Storm Prediction Center not too concerned about that. We will see a possibility of an isolated thunderstorm here, but the rain chances are going to stay high, with the chances for thunderstorms at around 20% for a few isolated cells. Currently, we have 59 degrees and the dew point is at 49. Winds are out of the east northeast at 13. The pressure 30, 37. That's a huge high pressure ridge, and that's one of the reasons why we're getting this strong wind. The high today was 71, and that's average, and 85, the record's set in 2012. Well, quite a range in temperatures again tonight, 40s, 50s, 60s, and 70s across the state. All across our area, basically into the mid to upper 50s, although 60 at Lake Placid, and also Punta Gorda now at 60 degrees as well. The Gulf water temperature holding steady at 59. The forecast tomorrow looks great for us. We'll see kind of a cool start with a bit of a breeze and then sunshine to follow. And as far as that rainfall forecast goes through Sunday, beginning right around Sunday morning, just say after 9, 10 o'clock, we'll start to see some of that rain move in. The heaviest rain by far will be in the afternoon and in the evening. The rainfall amounts just about a ½ inch or maybe more. At this point, that's what it looks like. And so we could see a little bit more rainfall, some heavier amounts inland areas like Wauchula. Well, highs tomorrow will be into the 30s and 40s over the Great Lakes, 50s though in Cleveland and also the nation's capital, as well as into Asheville and Atlanta at 58 degrees. For boaters tomorrow, not as windy, but still a bit of a breeze. 15 knots coming in out of the east. The seas running right around 2 to 3 feet. And a moderate chop in the bays and inland waters tonight. Mostly clear, breezy and cool. 52 for your low. Mid-50s near the beaches, and the extended forecast is calling for weather to be nice tomorrow. 74, a little bit more cloudiness, but still a nice day on Saturday. And then a first alert weather day with showers on Sunday and an isolated thunderstorm. Looks like we'll see some clouds on Monday. Cooler, in fact, cooler temperatures on Tuesday and Wednesday with highs into the 60s. Nothing extreme, but still a little bit cooler to start the work week next week.